top 5 foods that destroy your heart. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our overall health: heart health. Did you know that certain foods could be silently damaging your heart? Stick around as we uncover the top 5 foods that you should avoid to protect your heart. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Number 1 on our list, trans fats. Found in many processed and fried foods, trans fats can raise your bad cholesterol levels and lower your good cholesterol, increasing your risk of heart disease. It's time to steer clear of those deep-fried delights and opt for healthier cooking methods. Next up, we have sugary beverages. Sodas, energy drinks, and even certain fruit juices are loaded with added sugars, which can contribute to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Make a swap to water or unsweetened beverages to quench your thirst without harming your heart. Moving on to number 3, processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats may be convenient, but they're packed with sodium, preservatives, and saturated fats, all of which can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Opt for lean protein sources like poultry, fish, or legumes instead. Coming in at number 4, we have excessive salt. While salt is essential for flavor, too much of it can lead to high blood pressure and heart disease. Keep an eye on your sodium intake by cooking at home more often and flavoring your meals with herbs and spices instead. Last but not least, we have processed and packaged foods. From frozen dinners to snack bars, these convenient options often contain high levels of sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats, wreaking havoc on your heart health. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible for a heart-healthy diet. And there you have it, the top 5 foods that could be harming your heart. By making simple swaps and prioritizing whole, nutritious foods, you can take proactive steps towards protecting your heart health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on living a healthy and fulfilling life. Until next time, take care and stay heart healthy.